أنا اسمي غانم، تعالوا معاي. أنا وربعي اشتغلنا على الجهاز.
Today I have exciting news. We have a collaboration with Zayed Higher Organization and ADNOC, the first time that we train students of determination to build, to assemble units of assistive technology. And here you can see what they have just done. We have the B logo now in the Arabic version of our keyboard that is made by people of determination for people of determination. And we are going to showcase them at the event on the 27th and 28th at ADNOC. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and it's a success for the students of determination here at Zayed Higher Organization.